Let's talk about the React render HTML. Render takes JS code and turns it into actual HTML code. How can we render? First, you should create a HTML file inside the src folder. Right? This is my file, and it displays this. Now search this on the Google search bar. Now copy these links and paste it in your head tags, right? Like this, right? To load the Babel for JSX support, we should search this and copy this link and paste it into the your head tag. Right? Like this. Now this is the root node. Sorry, it's not node, it's an element, right? ID equal root. This is the root element that turns JS code into HTML, right? Right. Let's create JavaScript code using script. Now you should give the script type, right? Type is Babel, right? Like this. This tells the browser this script contains JSX, right? The Babel standalone script will transfer that JSX into normal JavaScript before it runs, right? Let's create a function inside the script. Function give the name for your function. I give it you can give any name for your function, and remember your function name must start with a capital letter, right? Like this. See? Now return the JSX, right? Return right? This is the JSX type. This is not an HTML, not a HTML, but it looks like HTML, right? Now come out your function like this. Now create a variable const root equal to React DOM React DOM.render sorry, it's not render, DOM dot create root, right? React DOM dot create root. React DOM create root. This creates a React root object attached to that DOM node, right? This is the entry point for React's rendering system, right? Now we are document.getElementById. We call this, right? And now give this row dot render now call your function. You should call our function like this. My first like this one. Add semicolon or not page. Put the semicolon like this, right? This is the rendering HTML. Now from the code we can see our output, right? See? Thanks for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe and share, like. Bye bye. Thanks for watching us.